Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix if Pinterest is not showing photos. So if it keeps loading, what you need to do is to close the app fully. So drag it upward and close it fully just like that. The next thing you can do is to go to settings and go to Wi-Fi and check if you're connected to a stable internet connection. You can also turn it off and turn it back on after 10 seconds and see if that works. Now let's go back to the main settings and scroll down and go to general. Then go to iPhone storage. Now scroll down and look for Pinterest. Open it. And in here, tap offload app. Tap offload app once more. Then tap reinstall app. Now once done, close settings and open Pinterest again and see if that solves your problem. Next thing you can do is to go to your profile at the bottom right, then go to the three dots at the top right, then go to settings, then scroll down to the bottom and tap on privacy and data. Scroll down and look for clear app cache. So click on that and the app cache is now cleared. Go back to the main page of Pinterest and see if that solves your problem. Now, if that still doesn't work, close Pinterest and go back to settings. Once you're on settings, scroll down and go to general, then scroll down and go to transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset and tap reset network settings. So enter your passcode, then confirm the action by pressing reset network settings. And once done, go back to Pinterest and see if that works. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.